Hello guys, welcome back to DXY Solution. So this is a weekly analysis for next week. That is from 7th, that's 7th of November to I think 12th of November. So this is a weekly analysis I'm doing. And if you're new to this channel, we are into tech videos and forex videos as well. Let's get started. So on DXY, we had some very strong bullish week for the past few weeks. And for today, we had a very strong bearish movement due to the weakness of dollar, according to the NFP we had today. So it was due to this strong down push, which even broke our weekly minor support that is on the yellow line you see here. So this is what we find for DXY. So moving up, we can see that DXY on next week is still going to be a very strong selling uh, bearish week. So moving to my daily time frame, we can analyze it more as DXY failed to break this high and now has broken on a daily time frame, has broken the uh, weekly support zone here and looking very strong. So I think DSY will be approaching 101 for the week. Also looking at the 4 hour time frame, we can, so on the 4 hour time frame, I think we are going to have a little pullback to retest this zone. That is the weekly now 7 as a resistance zone. So we're going to have a pullback to that zone, and then we can have our sell again to clear this. We have some liquidity void here to clear all this liquidity void. That is for DXY on next week. Moving up to AUDUSD dollar. So AUDUSD dollar has created a bullish there's a bullish falling village, or we can call it a bullish falling flag. And as you can clearly see, it's a bullish because from this side was the bullish aspect, and now it's falling. So a bullish falling flag or a bullish falling village. That's the chart pattern it has created now. And so we can clearly see we are having some kind of uh bullish movements for this week. So DXY will be bearish, meaning dollar will be bullish, and so we are having some bullish movements. We have this weekly high, that's a weekly minor resistance, which when we move to the daily time frame, you can see that we have broken this uh, weekly resistance here. So on the daily time frame, you can clearly see it has closed above this weekly resistance, and then we are going to also look up to hit a zone that's on the daily time frame, hit the zone to hit this resistance zone that is on the chart pattern. So moving up to the 4 hour, let's see if we can clearly have good. So we on the 4 hour we have some liquidity void line here, liquidity void. So we are expecting price to clear this liquidity void. So still looking for a bullish movement on AUDUSD dollar for next week, or yeah, from 7th to 12th November. Now moving up to Euro US dollar. Also on a weekly time frame, we can see a push from the monthly support zone. So the red uh, bar you see here is my monthly support zone. You can clearly see a very um, bounce off from that support zone, and on the yellow bar, that is my weekly. It's a weekly minor resistance zone, and you can see that price has traded above that resistance zone and has closed above that resistance zone, meaning the bulls are very much in control. So looking for during the week, I'm going to expect a bullish movement during the week for Euro USD, moving up to the daily time frame on Euro USD. Let's see if we have any special. So if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe, join my Telegram channel. The link is below in the description. Now let's continue. So on the daily time frame, we can clearly see that the price has closed above the weekly resistance and approaching the monthly minor resistance here. So it's first served as a support and now as a resistance if you check from the monthly time frame. So we are approaching this zone on the monthly minor resistance, and probably since it's a minor resistance, we might also break through this minor resistance to hit this major weekly resistance zone, which is on my yellow bar. We can clearly see right here. Moving up to gold XAUUSD on the weekly time frame. If you look at the weekly time frame, you might think having trading opportunities will be very difficult. So on the weekly time frame, it doesn't look like we have any better trading opportunities. It looks like a bearish trading opportunity on gold XAUUSD. Yeah, it clearly looks like a bearish. But then when we move to the daily time frame, let's see if we can have a trading opportunity for gold on the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, this is what we have on the daily time frame. I so this was just a pullback, and I believe we have a buy side liquidity here. We have a buy side liquidity here from this zone. So then I believe price will be trading above to clear the liquidity from this zone. So at this time, in order for it to clear liquidity, is going to break this monthly resistance zone around 2040 to 2080. I believe price is going to break that zone, that is on the weekly time frame on gold. And let's see if we can still have one more confirmation on gold with Fibonacci retracement. So let's see from this low to this high. Good. So price. So we have tested the OTE, that's the optimal trade entry point, and price is looking up. So moving from here, I think we'll be targeting first TP around 2023 and second TP around 2045. So I think these are the two first and second TP, and extended TP you can also look at it around 2065, or perhaps break to grab liquidity, the buy side liquidity around almost 2080. So we will have a bullish weekly movement for gold, for EURUSD, for Aussie dollar, but then we have a bearish movement for DXY. Alright, so there's a lot on it, and I'll urge you guys to join my Telegram channel. There we also do live streams on charts, patterns, on trading opportunities we can have. So don't miss it. Subscribe, hit the notification bell if you like this video. Kindly like. If you have any question, comments below in the description.